Module 10, adding calendar to our navigation. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to import our previous calendar into the main navigation. Let's get going. Okay, let's go to our Explorer and access projects. We are going to continue this. We're going to copy this module 9 main navigation, Control C, Control V, and we're going to rename this guy to module 10 calendar. Alright, let's pop inside, open it up, and enable. Alright, this portion, we are going to be importing the calendar that we created earlier, way earlier, in response to Stephanie Bryant. So she is wanting to allow comments to be inserted to the calendar on any given day. And my response to her was that shouldn't be too difficult to display the information on the calendar. So we are going to add our calendar and populate anything that we want to on that calendar, and hopefully she can follow along and implement whatever she wants to do with the calendar. So this is so let's go to our project. But before we get going, after uploading that navigation this morning, I noticed something here. If you click on this guy, yeah, this one is okay, 47. Check this one. This is 02 right here, and that is 03. That's 53. That's 52. So some's correct, some are not correct. All right. So I think I have an idea why that is. All right. I think I have ideas what that is. So let's close this out. And if we look at the order details, here is the live data. All right. That's what we pull our information from. If you notice this 4 digits right here, okay. If you notice this 4 digits right here, and let's look at the product table. We got two prices. I think the unit cost here should not be used. All right, we were using the unit cost. If you think about it, this would be the unit cost to us, meaning when we buy these items, we pay for this price. This is the resale product, meaning these are the price we should be selling. All right. So I think I'm not certain. All right. I'm not certain. Let's take a look at the now. Let's take a look at the access layer that we created. Order DB access. If we take a look at the add product, You see, we were using this unit cost, right? And that's a, yeah, access, when you calculate the price using these 4 digits, it could be really picky because different systems round off differently. But we know this is going to be more precise. All right. So let's do that. Let's go to our code. Let's change this unit cost, which we don't want to resell the same price that we bought. That would be uh, we would not be making any profit. Instead, we'd be losing because of shipment. All right. We because of shipping, we don't want to. So what we want to do is we want to change that to price. All right. We want to change that to price, and hopefully that is that. All right. And I said right here, when we develop this order detail, we use unit price. Um, we can also change that to price. That way it's not confusing. Uh, so, but let's do this first. Let's change this, and then we'll worry about the unit price later. All right. So let's do that. Let's do that. So we're gonna do this before we start adding our calendar. All right. So I'm gonna close those two guys out. All right. So let's do this. Fix this before we add the calendar. Uh, let's see there. Let's look at the incomplete. So we're gonna use this incomplete. Actually, what we want to do is we want to delete all these products. That way, those prices going to be, when we add new one, we get the new pricing, right? So now we are going to be adding new. I want to get rid of these large items. That way, it's easy to. One thing I noticed that we don't have the price, and we should populate the price so we know the prices of the items. So that would be a nice way. That shouldn't be too difficult to do that. But yeah, now um, let's see. Let's see what's. So now it looks right. So yeah, it didn't have the 2 digits behind there. You see there? That should be 50. That should be 50. Why is it not 50? But now it's correct. You see there, 48 and 48. All right, because we removed those 4 digits. All right, so let's take a look. Let's take a look. I'm gonna close this down and change the modify a couple things in here. Model right here. That way we can pop back and forth to look at the data the live record. So let's take a look. We look at this guy. All right, that's correct. All right, I'm going to do that, and now we can come back on this side and take a look at the temp table here. See, now we have these numbers. All right, we have this number instead of the 4 digits. All right, if you look at the details right here, sum of 4 digits, those are the ones that were populated. And if we look at, let me see, look at this guy. This one is order W54. Let's take a look at W54 here. Let's take a look at W54 right here. See there? Now they are the same numbers. You see, and same number as this one. All right. So I think that's where it falls to. Not 4 digits. Different computers, some things differently. All right. So uh, and even the random number generator is not truly a random. Um, but I think that's it. That's what we need to be doing instead of using this. Instead of using these four. Let's undo this. Clear that text. Instead of using these 4 digits decimal, 4 decimals here, we need to use the price instead of unit price. All right. Okay, I think that was an easy fix. Knock on wood, and hopefully that's it. All right. So we'll go down. Nope. Nope. So just keep in mind that the ones that are not correct, we still need to fix this. These guys. The ones that are not correct or the ones that have already been completed. Yeah, that one's completed. We cannot change anything. All right, that was the old one. This one's, yeah, we can change this one. We can change this one. All right, so just keep in mind. Let's try that. Let's try that. Well, before we do that, remember we're gonna do it. Okay, let's fix the product list. We want to get the price on there. All right, so let's do that. Let's fix that, and then we'll add the calendar. Shouldn't be too bad. So this one is order product. Here we can, yeah, let's do that. Copy that guy, paste, come to the right here. There should be price right here. Yeah, not the unit price. I think that was the issue that we were having. So I don't know, 5,000. There could be 1,000. So that's one character. 2, 3, 4, 5. Add comma, add period. So that's one more that. I think that's good enough. All right. And then we're just going to put this right there. Select this guy and move that there. There. Huh. I noticed this guy is not even. See there? Oh, we didn't move this guy down. There. All right, let's put this guy in there. Yeah, if we need to make more adjustment, we do. Let's come over there, select that guy as well. Right click, size, nearest, and then let's push this guy up there. There. So that way we know what that way we know the price. All right. One thing that we need to do here, change this guy to price, and then this guy, right. Yeah, both of these. No, that's fine. Right here. Alignment. Where is the alignment? Right there. Right. Well, you know what? This prices is only 2 digits. So if it's only 2 digits, we can definitely use this. All right, because now they're no longer 4 digits. Now, if there were 4 decimals beyond this period, then there would be issues with converting to currency. But now they're only 2, so we can basically make that happen like that. All right. So yeah, I mentioned that earlier about converting to formatting to currency. That would be problematic if we have 4 decimals. all right? But now we only have 2 decimals, all right? So it shouldn't be issues because now it's not going to kind of round off any 3rd digit or 4th digit. So this should be, yeah, this in this case, it's okay to do currency. All right. So we'll go ahead and instead of monkeying around with formatting, we'll go ahead and use currency. All right. Um, yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That should be fine. Yep. So go ahead and Control S. All right. Let's see. I think that's that. Let's run this and see. Yeah. Let's go to this guy. We were going to update this guy. All right. Let's update this guy. Edit. Let's see if we have pricing. We need to, yeah. So, um, I guess we need to expand that. So I thought that was that or make the font smaller. All right, let's fix that. Well, that's not real attractive. Let's fix that. This is 11. I think what we could do here, we can make this guy 10. Now 10 font size is considered a standard, all right, not 11. Control S. And you know what? And we are going to make this here. Let's make this guy like that. That way it's not as cluttered. All right, let's try it again. All right, this one is this guy. Nope, this one is this guy. Yep. And edit. Product. That looks better. That looks better. All right. So, but you can tweak however you want. What we want to do is we want to remove this guy. And then we're going to add new one to make sure that all grand totals here match this guy. All right. So let's add something that we can work with. That's one. That's one. This one. This one. So that looks good right there. Let's save this guy and switch to order. This is order number 4. See that? 04. 04. And let's see this guy 04. So this is 18, 20, 24. Perfect. So there you go. That's yeah, that was easy fix. I was wondering why they were off. They were off because because of those 4 decimals behind the period here. All right. That was quick fix. That was easy fix, by the way. So, but now some of these guys are like this guy right here, 03 and 04. We cannot do anything about that. That's done. That's completed. All right. But this guy right here, yeah, we can update this guy. All right, we can update this guy for sure. Yeah, because yeah, if we use the same, if we just delete these guys and add new ones in there, that numbers will match. All right, that numbers will match. That's because of this price and not unit price. All right, because of 2 digits instead of 2 decimals instead of 4 decimals. All right, so that's it. That's it. All right, so that was good. We didn't change a whole lot other than just that bit. All right, so if you update that to a price, that would make it right. Yeah, it's funny as far as calculation is concerned. You would think that the computer is computer. Not all computers are the same. They compute differently. All right, they compute differently. And even random number, if you study the randomized technique, To the naked eyes, it seems random, but it's not true. It's not true. So if you randomize a couple of characters, you can basically predict the outcome. All right, you can predict the outcome. Anyways, now let's go on with our agenda. Calendar. All right, let's go to external data, new data source right here on the right, left, and we're gonna go to access. Let's go to all folder where we put all projects, access projects, and right here calendar. I'm gonna go to the last portion here, calendar part 4. I think this one is displaying info on calendar. So we're going to need both of these guys forms. We're not going to be using this birthday list, but we can use it for other things. All right, so um, yeah, when it's there, you can just, we're going to modify that birthday list form. So we do that, and let's see what we need. Oh, we're going to need calendar. All right, not sure what that is, but we put it in. Let's see what else do we need. Let's see the, what else? Forms, query. Uh, month name. You know what? There might be something valuable in there. Month name. So let's grab the table month name. Oops, month name. These two forms and calendar module. All right. So what we want here, we want to go in there in this calendar. Go ahead and pop it up. I like that. Wow, that looks dandy. That looks dandy right there. That looks good. All right. Now let's go to the code. There are a couple of things. There's one thing that we want to omit. See this here, number of birthday. We are going to comment that out. All right. As a matter of fact, I'll go highlight that guy. Control F, and then go to that line. Comment. Let's go find the next one. There. Oh, we already comment that one. Next. Comment. Next. Comment. So that's pretty easy, huh? Let's go find the next one. So wherever we find, we're gonna comment them out. And then we're gonna be, yeah. Now we cannot comment out the function. All right, we only comment out the call. I think there are a couple of colors that we don't have. There are a couple of colors. We'll find out which one we don't have, and then we'll fix it. All right. So let's run this guy. See if we get any blocking. Yeah. Ocean blue, light ocean blue. So we have this light ocean blue here. There are two ways to get this light ocean blue. One is to go to the internet. The other is to go to our code. Let's go to our code. All right, from here. Let's open that up. Now the reason why I didn't want to import it in is because we already have the color right here though. All right. Now all we want is just that function. So right there we are looking for light ocean. I think light ocean would be good. There you go, right there. So we're gonna go grab blue, light blue, and light ocean blue. So grab all these three guys, copy, and let's jump back to ours. Right here, double click on that. Let's go find blue. Find blue. Yeah. Oh, right here we got two blues here. So we'll go ahead and highlight them too. Yes. All right. So yeah, let's not worry about that. As a matter of fact, we'll go ahead and shut that down. Yes, we'll go ahead and shut that down. And then what were we? Blue, light blue, ocean blue. All right. So let's close that down. I noticed we have pink around here somewhere. Let's find pink. See pink? And that is the highlighted select day. I think that is the, if I'm not mistaken, that's first day, current day, and last day. All right. See if we have pink in here. We don't have pink. I noticed that. All right. Let's go to our pink on here. Let's type in pink. There, we found it. You know what? Yeah, let's grab pink, magenta, and all that in here. Copy. And go back to our application. Let's see who else do we have in here. So let's put that guy pink, magenta, and light magenta in there. I think that's all we need. We'll find out. That's for my memory. Alright, we'll keep that one open for now, just in case we need to hop back for the calendar stuff. Let's open it up. Good. Perfect. I don't know about that pink color. Okay. Okay, we'll work on that color. Alright, so alright, so there we have it. We've got everything. Alright, and yeah, that one too bad. That's what, less than 2 minutes fix. Alright, so that's yeah, now we can go ahead and close out our calendar there. So that's what happened when you build things ahead of time, and then you can just basically put it in with minimal adjustment. I want to change this text right here. Take that lighter 50% off. That way it stands out. Alright. And if you wonder what this is the month names. See there? Month name. Alright, so that's it. That's all we have. Now we are going to put this into our calendar. I mean our navigation. Design, and then we're just gonna type form calendar. See there? How easy is that? And then I'm gonna grab this handle, move it up, come over here, make that a calendar name, and then go to the top, call nav main. Yeah, let's call main first. We're gonna change that name. Alright, we're gonna change this to 3, and then change that to main 2. Now it becomes a 2. Now changing this doesn't change anything, alright, because the reference is already here. Okay, and yeah, this name from here, we're not gonna use anything but coloring in the back end. That's all. So you don't need to worry about changing these names. Make sure they're not the same. That's all. Alright. Also, this is the index 0, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So let's make this guy a 1. There you go. See, if you move that, it makes a 1, and that's 2. So good. It reorders for us. That's excellent. Alright. So when you move this guy back and forth, it reorders for us, which we don't have to do. I like that. That's nice. Alright. Control S. Exit it out, and let's see our calendar. Look at that. Good. I noticed that. See how it's like all the way up there? I don't like that. What do you think? Yeah. Let's create a little gap there. Let's see. Let's look at it. That calendar. And also this background. We want the background to look like this guy. It's more like a software, and this one as well. See there? Yeah, let's fix that. Let's make the background look like this. It's more like a system type background. All right, let's fix that. So the order, let's open this design up. All we want here is select that guy, come over here, see background right here, back color. Let's grab that guy, copy, and close it down, say thank you. Come over here to calendar, and then select this detail. Come over here to the right. Oh, this is alternate. All right, no automate, no color. All right, so on the alternate back color, no color. Right there, we paste it in. There. Control S. Close it. Where else? Where else? And that's it. Let's go to main navigation. I also notice here on this pane right here. Let me see. Right here. See alternate? We don't want that. Alright, we don't want that. Yeah. Let's do no. I noticed that as well. Let's paste that one there. So now all in order. One more thing. If we if we select this guy and move down right there, so we just want to move that guy just a tad off from the top. Control S. All right, we just want to move the whole entire thing here just off the while we add it. Let's take a look at this guy, because every time we change this, okay, good, it's still there. All right, exit that out. Let's take a look. Oh, that looks much better. See how this got a little gap there? Look at that, all the way around. Perfect. You wonder how we did that? Look at that. That looks better. Now it stays right there in that container. It looks much better. I still don't like this left-hand side. It's got this white. Pretty picky, aren't I? That calendar goes well with all color. Alright, we still don't like the pink though. That's next month. Well, anyways, I'm gonna let you play with that. This color, see if you can change that color to this color. And that's that. This is short. Alright. So I was going to add buttons here from last time that I shared. Let's see what I can come up with next. All right, we're not done yet. We want this to be fully functional. Okay, so let's keep that a secret. That's that. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.